Well, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, May 16th, and this video will be a little different from all my other videos. About 3 weeks ago, a company, Mars Hydro, reached out to me to do a product review on one of their grow lights. And I have received the grow light in the mail, and I'm going to use it for starting off some plants and describe what it is, what it does. And so this is the box that it came in. Hopefully you can see it. And in the box is the Mars Hydro TS-1000 LED grow light. It has a dimmer and an output button on the side. Electrical cord and cables to hang it and also to daisy chain it rather. So what I'm going to do is to connect this to my old greenhouse stand that I had, and I'm going to use it to grow some onions, and we'll see how it goes. From the initial outlook on this that I have received, it is relatively reasonably priced. It's $130, and it's good for the novice grower using grow lights like me. So I'm grateful that Mars Hydro reached out to me, and we're going to give it a shot. It will provide light rather to 2 to 4 plants. The wattage that it uses is 150 watts, so it's not much. Vegetable coverage is 2.5 by 2.5 feet, so that's a lot, and considering the size. And flower coverage is 2 feet by 2 feet. So I'm looking forward to using it, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to connect it next. Okay, for now, this is where I'm going to have the setup at. And as you can see, we have an on-off switch, dimmer switch, and we have a low and a maximum wattage here. And with it turned all the way up, as you can see, it's pretty bright, and it will hit my seed tray pretty well. So I have no concerns about that. And it comes with the 2 clips. I could raise it and lower it at will. What I did was take some zip ties and tied an extension cord and then the cord for this to it and plugged it in, so it works well. Overall, so far, I'm pretty happy with it, and I think I'm going to be extremely happy with it. Okay, some of the information about the unit: it's low energy consuming LED grow lights, 150 watts, and can also be mounted with 354 chips. It has the ability to replace a 250 watt HPS light while reducing the power intake by 40%. The LED lights are high efficiency. It has a reflective hood, and the dimming and daisy chain feature comes standard. So I started a half a flat of onions to put underneath the grow light, 4 rows of Georgia Boys, and 2 rows of White Phantom. So I want to thank you for coming along with me on this journey and discussing the Mars Hydro TS-1000. If you're interested in purchasing one or looking at it, the specs online, I will post a website for it in the comment section as well as on the screen. If you're interested in anything else that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. I have some pretty good deals there that you might be interested in. Always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can always grow a good amount of food for yourself and your family. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.